In this video, we learn about the divergence of a vector field. In a previous lecture, we learned about the gradient of a scalar field and the physical significance of a scalar field. In this lecture, we learn about the divergence of a vector field and its significance. So, before starting to the divergence of a vector field, first we see what is the vector field. What is the vector field? The vector field is when a vector quantity can be assigned to every point in a space. The space is called as the vector field. A vector quantity can be assigned to every point in a space. The space is called as the vector field. For example, the electric field. For example, electric field. Similarly, the magnetic field. These are the examples of the vector field. Now we see the definition of divergence. Definition of divergence of vector field. Okay. How this divergence of vector field is denoted? It is denoted like del bar dot v bar, or simply div v bar. Okay. So now we construct the definition. The del bar dot v bar. Okay. Out of that, in a previous lecture, we see how we write this del bar. The del bar is equal to, del bar कसं लिहू शकतो आपण, हाय कॅप डो बाय डो एक्स प्लस जे कॅप डो बाय डो वाय प्लस द के कॅप डो बाय डो झेड, and this v bar is what? This I cap vx plus j cap vy plus k cap vz is equal to I cap do vx by do x plus j cap do vy by do y plus k cap do vz by do z, and this is the divergence of function v bar. If the v bar is a continuous differentiable function in a vector field, the quantity I cap do vx by do x plus j cap do vy by do y plus k cap do vz by do z is called as the divergence of a vector field. What is this? This is the divergence of a vector field.